What's up, everyone? Don here. After 7.5, 8 many years, it's finally dawned on me to replace my Filco keyboard with a Filco keyboard. So, let's get into it. I ordered my Filco after 7 years of owning my original one. I ordered it straight from Japan. It's a direct, exact copy of the original, the front printed keys, which unfortunately you can't find on their website anymore. They don't offer that version anymore on the website. They have a bunch of new ones that I don't like, so I had to find this one on Amazon, but with a little bit of hunting you can find it on Amazon or other third-party sites. Here I'm just showing the box and a little thank you note they gave me, all the way from Japan. Thank you for shopping with us. You're welcome. Here's a little view of the unboxing of the keyboard. Quickly show you the front printed keys, and as well, there's not much that comes with the keyboard. Just a PS2 adapter, the key puller, and 2 front printed Windows keys, as well with a small little Velcro strap on the cord. Here's another good view of the new keyboard and the old one in the background there. You can see that there's a bunch of keys that the old one has, they've broken. Although the new keyboard does come with a key puller, I don't like the design of it. It was the same design as the old key puller. The one I'm using right now is actually from an old DOS keyboard I used to have, and I actually prefer the ring style key puller. It just clips to the sides much easier and pulls the keys much easier. And I'll show you that one in just a moment here after the struggle with the Filco key puller. So here's the old DOS key puller, again with the minimalistic design. It just has 2 sides held together by tension, and they just clip to the side of the keys, pull straight up. Works much easier, no struggle. Alright, so the new keyboard is all set up in its position, cords fed back. Kind of cheated with this one. So now, let's plug the old girl in. Make sure I got this USB the right way. This way. Alright. Sorry that was so shaky. Alright. She's plugged in. Time for a typing test. So I have both keyboards here side by side. I'm just going to pretend to do a typing test on my old keyboard that's not plugged in, so you can hear how it sounds. You can hear how faded out the blue keys are. My Cherry MX Blues are. But this keyboard, like I said, has been with me like 6-7 years or so. Now I'm just going to hit a bunch of random keys. Here's my numpad. The numpad probably sounds the best because I don't use those keys often. A lot of them have gotten really dull though. The spacebar is dead. Now I'm going to switch the positions of the keyboard so you can get a good idea of the difference in sound and I don't want to say quality of the switches, but life duration of the switches. So okay, so that was the typing test with the new keyboard. You can definitely hear the difference in how it sounds. I'm just going to hit a bunch of random keys now so you can hear what they sound like. Now a quick difference between the two keyboards. I'll put my hand in the same position on both keyboards. Let's start with the arrow keys. This is the new one and the old one. New one and the old one. The old one is a little bit closer to the microphone, so that might, cause a difference in how you hear it, but I am doing the same thing on both keyboards. I'll put my hand on ASDF on both keyboards. This is the new one and the old one. New one and the old one again. Alright, so that concludes it. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, just leave a comment in the box down below, a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Cheers.